In this documentary, we explore the reality of space tourism, a concept that has captivated humanity for decades. From science fiction to the ambitions of companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, space travel is becoming a reality, but is it as glamorous and achievable as portrayed? We'll examine the possibilities and challenges, offering insights into the journey, the industry's current state, and its potential impact. Have you ever imagined leaving Earth's atmosphere, seeing our planet's curvature, and experiencing the vastness of space? Floating in zero gravity, watching Earth below a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Space tourism, once a distant dream, is now accessible to a wealthy few. But will it become commonplace, or is it a fleeting trend? Let's delve into the reality, exploring both excitement and challenges. Since the 1960s, humanity has been fascinated by space exploration, but travel was limited to astronauts and government missions. Recently, private companies have made significant strides, making space tourism a reality. Virgin Galactic, led by Richard Branson, aims to send passengers on suborbital flights, with its first successful crewed flight in July 2021. Blue Origin, led by Jeff Bezos, also launched its first crewed mission that same month. These companies promise to elevate space tourism, literally and figuratively. This isn't just a thrilling trip, it opens new possibilities for travel and exploration.
What was once exclusive to astronauts could soon be accessible to civilians, offering breathtaking views and a unique perspective on our planet. The excitement and advantages of space tourism are undeniable. For many, leaving Earth is a life-changing opportunity. The experience of seeing Earth from above is unparalleled. Passengers experience zero gravity, and the views are often described as awe-inspiring and life-altering. It can also fund future space exploration missions, with revenue from passengers potentially supporting Mars or Moon exploration, leading to advancements and possibly future colonization. The industry also drives innovation in rocket and spacecraft design, potentially leading to cheaper, more efficient space travel for a wider audience. However, there are challenges. The cost is significant. A seat can cost $200,000 to over $500,000, limiting it to the wealthy. Will it ever be affordable for the average person? Space launches also contribute to carbon emissions, and their environmental impact is still being studied. Safety concerns remain. The Challenger and Columbia disasters serve as reminders of the potential dangers, and space travel is physically demanding. Passengers undergo extensive medical screening, and weightlessness and confinement can have psychological effects. Jeff Bezos's suborbital flight with Blue Origin in July 2021, lasting about 11 minutes, was a historic moment. He described it as life-changing. Yusaku Maezawa, a Japanese billionaire, is planning a trip around the moon on SpaceX's Starship, a private crewed mission pushing the boundaries of exploration. For many, the journey represents more than adventure. It's a dream realized, a chance to witness the cosmos's beauty, and a contribution to humanity's understanding of space. Space tourism is an exciting development. While challenges exist, including cost, safety, and environmental concerns, the potential benefits are significant. Private companies are leading the way in this new frontier, and as technology advances, the cost is expected to decrease, making it potentially accessible to more people. The future holds promise for scientific discoveries, technological innovation, and potentially the colonization of other planets. The journey of space tourism is just beginning. Will it become the norm or remain an exclusive luxury? Only time will tell. But it has the potential to transform how we view our world and the universe. Are you ready for the next great adventure?